We've been growing lettuce at home, and guess what? We don't even need to water it for half a month. The leaves stay lush and green, and the taste is fresh and crisp, never bitter. Here's how we do it. First, grab an old oil container. This one's been sitting around for 10 years. Fill it halfway with water. Then, take some plastic cups. Poke small holes in the bottom and sides. These will allow the roots to soak up water automatically. Fill the cups with soil, place them into the container, and plant one lettuce seedling per cup. Water it once when you plant it. That's your initial watering. After that, you're done. It takes care of itself by drawing up water as needed. It's an easy, low-maintenance way to grow lettuce at home, perfect for busy people. Want to boost growth? Toss a few organic fertilizer pellets into the water. Now you've got automatic watering and feeding. In about 40 days, your lettuce will be ready to harvest. Bright green and beautiful, they'll look amazing on your balcony, even prettier than flowers. When it's time to eat, just pick the outer leaves. Leave the tender center to keep growing. You can harvest it 2 or 3 more times this way. If you think this method is helpful, don't forget to like, save, and try it yourself. Thanks for watching.